Joseph's lineage ended up becoming very powerful in Egypt, and ultimately gained the title of Pharaoh with Akhenaten. And this is hidden history that they don't want out. And if you look at modern Egyptologists and their story and how they portray Akhenaten, even in art, we see a major corruption that took place after the dynasty of Akhenaten. Many of the artifacts were destroyed or maimed or redone to portray something different. And they did not want any of that information to continue into history, because Akhenaten had put down the entire priestly order. And at that time in Egypt, it was the priests who were running everything. And we can see how that same priesthood is the same priesthood that we find today running everything. And so these are subjects that are touchy. And hopefully this will come across without any problems. I pray that this would be a protected message, and that it will bless all those who hear it, because we're going to purge the dross. We're going to cast off the shackles. And we're going to move forward in truth. And we're not going to stop until we get there. And this seeking of truth is sometimes very difficult for our religious beliefs, because humans tend to want to protect what they believe. But just like many things in our past, we used to believe one thing, and as we progressed as a society, we learned that what we had believed was incorrect. They used to believe that you would sail off the side of the planet if you went too far. We used to believe that comets were just dirty ice balls. We used to believe that what we could see with our own eyes is what's real. And all that's changing. So we're going to go on a journey of discovery. And as I was talking about with John the Baptist, we're going to have to do a double take, because John the Baptist was supposed to know who Christ was. He was in that family order, in that family line. He would have heard the stories. Everyone in that family knew about the stories of the birth, the wise men, the shepherds, the angels. It would not have been a question to John. And yet, when Messiah begins his ministry, we find John sending some of his own disciples to ask Messiah if he is the one. Now, why would John ask that question? And I have the answer. We're going to get into that answer in the next video. It's probably not what you think. Grace and peace, family.